Hi, I'm Joseph from Pyrin. In this video, I'll show you how to access your account using either a web browser or the Android app, how to log in with your username or email, and how to securely reset your password when needed. The portal can be accessed in two ways: through any modern web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari on your computer or phone, or by downloading the custom Android app for your school, which can be found at the download section in the portal or via a link shared by your school's administration. The Android app is not an extension, but rather the same system, giving you the convenience of not typing your school's portal address in a browser each time to access it. So follow along if you're using the app. To start, enter your school's portal address in the address bar, or directly click the link in the SMS or email. If you wish to contact the developer from the login screen, click the small logo on the lower right hand corner. The developer's info should be displayed. Each user, whether a student, parent, teacher, or admin, is assigned a unique username and a case-sensitive password. You can also log in using your email address if your school has a verified one on file. Login credentials are sent to your phone via SMS or email after your account is created by the school. The password is case-sensitive, so you need to check for capital letters. If you never received your credentials, reach out to your school's administration. They can assist with account recovery by verifying your identity and updating your contact info if needed. Click the lock or eye icon to either show or hide the password. We don't recommend saving your credentials on a shared device, that is a computer or a phone you use with other people. Click no, never, or cancel, or no thanks when you see such a prompt. Type it each time, even on your own device if you can, and make sure no one sees your password as you enter for obvious reasons. To protect your account, we recommend updating your password after your first login. Go to Settings in your profile menu, or click Change Password from the main menu under My Account. Your password should be at least 8 characters long and include a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Try to avoid using your name, the school's name, birth dates, or common patterns like this or that. A better example would be something like My Secure 2025! Something easy to remember but hard for others to guess, or just let the system generate one for you to memorize. First, enter your old password. Enter new password, then confirm the new password again. You'll be notified if your chosen password doesn't meet the system's requirement. You may choose to log in again with your new password to confirm everything turned out well. We will now try logging in using an email address instead of the username. You can reach your school's administration by going into your profile menu or scrolling down the main menu or sidebar. Then click Contact Administration. To download the Android app from the portal, go to the main menu, go to the download section, find the app, click to download. To reach the developer for whatever reason, including bug reports, create a ticket by clicking the Need Help from the user's profile menu or Tickets in the main menu. The developer or anyone in my team will be willing to help. What if you want to call the developer instead? Go to the footer, click the text Pyrin to have the developer's info. That's it. Now you know how to log into the portal, change your password securely, and recover your account when needed. Make sure to watch our next video on how to create a ticket should you encounter a problem or bug on the system. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. so you don't miss the next tutorial. You can also drop a comment or visit our knowledge base for more info. Thanks for watching.